If you have acne and you've heard about a new treatment called Differin Gel, or maybe even seen the ads for Differin Gel, or you're looking for a new age, new gen treatment for acne that would actually work for you, well, you're gonna wanna stick around and watch this video. Well, hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, I'm Chris Gibson, and this is Chris Gibson Live, where we help you look good, feel good, and live good. Today we're going to kick some more acne problem, or acne butt, as I like to say it, on this show. Again, if you're new, go ahead and take a second and subscribe, and be sure to hit the little notification bell so that you're aware when I have new videos up, because otherwise YouTube won't tell you. Okay, if you are suffering from breakouts, then you know that the pharmaceutical industry and the skincare industry is constantly shoving products in our face. It's always on all the time. There's a jillion different things that they say will work for you, which kind of gives you an idea of a lot of it doesn't work for you. But today we're going to review a product that you've probably seen the ads for that's kind of taking the acne market by storm. And so we wanted to make sure that you knew the truth about this product and whether it really would work for you or not on today's Skincare Smackdown. All right, so first, what is Differin Gel? Well, Differin Gel is a retinoid gel that was approved for prescription use back in 1996, which actually makes it relatively new on the market as a treatment, because most of the treatments that you've heard about that contain salicylic acid and benzoyl peroxide have been around since the early 80s. I would know, I was there, I had to use those. So relatively new in the treatment department. It contains the ingredient Adapalene, which is a retinoid that, when applied to the skin, helps reduce the inflammation of an acne breakout, and it also helps the skin cells that are in the pores not stick together, which is what part of the process is that helps create an acne breakout in the first place, is that blocked pore. So that's the mechanics of how it works, and it was just recently, about a year and a half ago, approved for over-the-counter use, where you can get it now without a prescription. So does it work? Well, let's first take a look at the positive aspects of this product. It can be used as a spot treatment for acne, or you can use it as an overall acne treatment. So if you're a person that has a lot of acne breakouts on your face, you can use Differin Gel all over your face, not just as a spot treatment. It's also relatively inexpensive. It runs around $15, and you can get it locally. Again, it's over the counter, so it's probably wherever you shop locally, grocery store, department store, they're gonna have this product for you. And again, there's no prescription required. Retinoids have been around for a long time, and they have been shown in clinical tests that they do help improve the acne conditions in some people over the long term. So that's the positive aspects of the product. It should work when you look at the mechanics, and it's relatively inexpensive. You don't need a prescription, and it's been around a long time and tested, and has, in some people, not everybody, shown some improvement in their acne condition. Now let's look at some of the minuses. Retinoids can be irritating to some people. It can be irritating to the skin. I'm one of those people that's hypersensitive to retinoids, so I don't use them, but not everybody has that problem. But that is one negative. You won't know until you try it, unless you've tried another product that had retinol in it or retinoids in it, if you're sensitive to it. But it can be a problem for you if you are. It's not gonna work for you very well. Next, it has a mild peeling effect. Now, that's not unusual for acne products, but especially in the first couple of weeks, a lot of people notice a drying and a peeling process that goes on, which leads me to the next minus, which is that they recommend you use the product up to 12 weeks to actually measure the results. So you're gonna have to use this product for about 3 months before you see if it's really gonna make a difference. So it's not a very quick fix for acne, and I know a lot of you guys look to me for things that are gonna work really quickly and naturally, because that's kind of what I'm all about, but this product's worth looking at. So for the long term, if it's a retinoid that works for you, again, it might be an option, but that is a negative. And you guys know that it is the goal of this channel and me in life to wipe out acne for you, to help you get rid of it, to have you fire me, well, not as a friend, I hope you never fire me as a friend or a go-to person for health and wellness, but in this one case where acne is concerned, it is my #1 goal to help you get clear skin. So I hope that you really know that, and as a part of my tribe, understand that. So I do recommend giving it a shot if you haven't tried it. Again, it's inexpensive, no prescription, and it may work for you, especially over the long term. Now, if you want to know faster spot treatments and the ways to really address your acne triggers, which is what's going on behind your acne breakouts. I'm gonna put a couple of videos right over here that I'd love for you to take a look at because they're gonna be a great help to you. So hit that little notification bell and I will see you over on the next ones.